I'm Clark Dummett, the founder of Dummett Fraden. There are two different branches of government that can issue driving privileges. Traditionally, it's done through the executive branch or the Division of Motor Vehicles. However, there are limited situations when a judge or the judicial branch can issue driving privileges. So if you have a DWI conviction and it is a first offense within 7 years, a judge can issue a limited driving privilege, and they may require an ignition interlock. However, if you're getting your license restored after having several DWIs, the Division of Motor Vehicles can require an ignition interlock as part of the restoration process.